Hello everyone, welcome back to Tutorials Point. Today in this video, I will guide you on how to resolve app permissions for news apps not working properly. So now let's get started. First of all, open your phone settings and now search apps and navigate to apps and search for the news app. There, tap on notifications and make sure that notifications are allowed. Now go back and tap on permissions and make sure that the app has the necessary permissions like location, storage, and notifications. Another step is restarting the app. Completely close the news app and reopen it again. So this is how to resolve apps permissions for news apps not working correctly. I hope you found this video helpful. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel. Thank you so much for watching. See you in the next one.